Welcome to channel Ngetrip Santuy Bali. Please follow dan subscribe channel ini. Bantu like, komen, dan share ya semua. Terima kasih.
Okay, let's go. Where are you from? This
Denmark.
Denmark.
Yes.
What is the language of Denmark?
Danish.
Danish.
Yes, we have our own language,
Oh, Danish.
but a very small country. So,
Denmark, yeah?
Yes.
Oh,
but it's similar to Swedish and,
Swedish. Oh, okay.
and Norway.
Norwegia.
Yeah.
Alright. In Denmark, in language, how are you? What you say?
What?
In how are you in your language?
Hvordan
What's that?
har
du
du det?
det.
Yes. Hvordan har du det?
What that how to do?
Yes,
Okay.
exactly. You're good.
Good. Okay. And then thank you.
What?
And thank you.
That is Tusind Tak.
Oh, do the song.
Yeah, that means thanks a lot.
Oh, hello.
Yeah.
Just got. Oh my God.
How do you say Tusind Tak? Or how do you say thank you in Indonesia?
Indonesia. Terima kasih. Yeah. In Bali, Suksema.
Ali Suksema.
Yeah, Suksema.
Ali Suksema.
Yeah, alright. And then you have Instagram, yeah?
What?
Instagram you have. Instagram.
Instagram.
No. Instagram. Do you have Instagram? Social media.
Oh, Instagram. Yes.
Yeah. Maybe after this, can I follow your Instagram? Yeah.
Yes.
Alright. And then my first time my content from Denmark.
Yes.
Yeah, my first time. Yeah. Wow. Yeah. Because in Bali, a lot Aussie, German, French.
What?
In Bali, a lot people Aussie, German, French in
Yes.
Bali.
Yes.
And then I met Denmark. Alright.
Also a lot of from Netherlands.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Netherlands, yeah. And then Europe.
Yeah.
Denmark, Europe? No.
Yes, Denmark is in Europe.
Europe. Oh,
Yes. It's a part of Scandinavia.
okay.
Yeah.
Denmark. Oh, you have Greenland, yeah?
Yes. We,
Okay, Greenland. Oh my God, you have Greenland. Okay,
Yes.
okay.
I think
Nice.
so.
You already go to Greenland or not?
No, I've actually never been.
Oh, very cool, yeah.
Yes. But I want to.
Oh, hey, I want to.
Yeah.
Oh my God, it's cool.
I think it's really cool.
Yeah, very cool. Oh my God. Denmark.
But it is cold too in Denmark. That's also good.
Oh, and then you don't go to Greenland, yeah?
Yeah.
Oh God. And then in Bali, where you have been?
We've been in Lombok.
Lombok?
Yeah,
And
and Gilead.
Gili,
And then here in Bali, we have been in Canggu.
Canggu, and then Uluwatu.
And no, actually
No.
not. Actually not.
No. Where?
Canggu and here in Ubud.
Only two, yeah?
Yes.
Okay. Oh. And then
We are staying here for 3 months.
this
so
one. Oh, it's so
we have
very.
a lot of time.
Yeah, you have a lot of time. Okay, alright. Maybe you can text me if you want to go.
Yeah.
Okay, alright. Okay, maybe for the long trip, you
Yeah.
can text. Yeah. And then make content again. Okay, alright. Because so lucky life in Bali.
What?
Because so lucky life in Bali. Because I met another people called all
Yes?
only in Bali. So lucky I am.
You're luck.
Yeah, very lucky life in Bali. Because I met all people called free.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah.
A lot of people are traveling to Bali.
Yeah.
It's a nice place.
And you first time come to Bali.
Yeah, it's my first time.
Okay, thank you. Bali, yeah. Alright. It's Bali small island.
Yeah, very small.
Very small island. Alright. How long? You stay in Ubud. How long?
2 days more.
Today.
Yeah, so not that long.
Oh. And then where do you go planning in Bali?
We're going to Java.
Java.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Okay. And then
And tomorrow night we're climbing the Mount Batur.
hot. Oh.
Yes.
For water. Okay. Very nice.
Yes, and then in a week we will
Oh,
go to Mount Homo.
promo. Oh,
Yes.
is that clubbing again? Clubbing? Oh my god, you like clubbing, yeah?
Yeah,
Oh my
we're exploring a
god,
bit.
you strong, yeah? Oh my
I don't
god.
know. We'll find out.
Ah. Maybe button is okay because it's short.
What?
Button is okay maybe.
Yeah, that's okay. But
Oh my god, it's dog.
oh,
You okay?
no, it actually.
Oh my god. Oh, no. Thank you.
Thank you.
And then follow my Instagram.
What?
Follow my Instagram.
Yes.
Why you so pretty?
Thank you.
Why? Oh my god.
Oh my, it's my wrong account.
Second account. This is your first account.
Directly, directly connect to.
Do you have internet?
Oh, no.
No.
Yes. I mean, it's. Wait, so I don't like that. Oh,
Just like this.
yes.
Okay.
Thank
Alright.
you.
Thank you. See you. Goodbye. Bye.
Goodbye.
Thank you for watching. Jangan lupa follow dan subscribe ya. See you next video.